Opportune time, Mheshimiwa Kositany is coming back here. Last time we were standing here, he did promise that he will come back with his team. Now that he has all team procurement, the GM, all engineers, just to figure out what they're going to do next. He has promised that in another 2-3 weeks, they will have started the issues of procurement. Hopefully that we want to ask them before the president comes, that by the time the president comes here, he comes with the contract. Honorable Mbati has just indicated that always these things happens nearer to elections. We don't want this one to be a weapon of election. It's a weapon of development and the business. Therefore, we are looking forward to really to ask KAA, as you promised, good brothers. I was with him in Parliament. You guys, let us fulfill it. I know that the president, yes, has done some good work. Yes, what he promised, some of the roads that he promised in the county at that time were here. They have actually been procured. There are those ones which are on the design stage, as it were. Therefore, looking forward that this one will be able to be finished. I'm told now they are not going to do Category 1 planes landing here. They want to see if we can have Category 2. Category 2 is the light flights because of the runway. Looking forward, I've asked them if we can talk to the community. The issue of backfilling, the other side, will definitely have to look for more resources. And now that I'm in government, I've just indicated I'm this broad-based government and we're running the country. We can always compensate the people down there, and the other side, we look for more money, we put into it. Mkiniuliza $500 million, ni save from wherever I'm saving, na nyinyi mweke 500, we'll have done a very good airport here. And that's what I'm looking forward to, so that this place can again get back to its footing.
My name is Kositany, the chairman of Kenya Airports Authority. We have come here today to visit Suneka Airstrip. With me is our acting MD, Dr. Mohamud Gedi. We have our engineer, GM Engineering, Engineer Ondiek. We have our GM Procurement, Vincent Korir. And we have also our Director, Engineer Ogola. And we have Engineer Mwachache, who comes from the area and is also an engineer with KAA. So we've come to look at this project. As we've been here before, and this project has stalled for quite a long time. We are in the process as KAA of undergoing a procurement process to acquire a contractor for these works. This works is going to cost slightly over 300 million to do the airstrip to good aviation standards. And with the few challenges that we have identified, we are going to work very closely with His Excellency Governor Simba Arati in order for us to have collaboration between the national government and the county government on how we can fast track and make this airstrip much more viable in terms of accommodating bigger aircrafts. We shall do what it is required as it is, and then work slowly on how to expand it, to make it bigger, to make the runway longer so that it can accommodate the bigger aircrafts. Otherwise, this work should start within the next 5 weeks. We should have a contractor in place ready to start the works.
The Governor, we are indeed, as an authority, very much committed to ensure that we complete these works on time once we commence. The facility is quite important from an economic point of view, connecting communities, creating employment opportunities to enable them, allow us work and get additional